Hello everyone, I have here a Jarvik tablet. I've bought this tablet in Holland, in a Kijk shop. The problem is I was going in a holiday with this tablet. I had it in an airplane, in my hand luggage, especially because to protect it. And I had inside a protective case like this. And suddenly when I was there and I took it out of my bag, it was broken. I have a broken screen here and here, so yeah, it's still working, but the touch screen function is not working anymore, so you cannot do anything. It just doesn't work. Then I tried to get in touch with Jarvik, but I got no answer at all. I emailed them a couple of times and I got no answer. So I'm making this video. Maybe if I put on YouTube they will take me more serious. I want to replace that the broken screen, but yeah, if you buy a tablet on Jarvik, then be ready that you have very bad after sale service. Something that would be very simple, like to replace this, you cannot replace it. So the only thing you can do with it is throw it away. And I think it's very soft material. It's not very. It doesn't look very strong. That's why it's broken. I had it inside a bag like this, protective, in my hand luggage in the airplane, and it was broken. When I got there, it was broken. I could not use my tablet in a laptop. It was brand new. I used it for like a couple of weeks and it was already broken. So that's the quality of Jarvik. And they also don't reply to your emails. If you write them, try to get an answer, they will not answer you back.